So, yeah, I know that so many plays are going on and so everybody that so many agreements has happened and it make you convinced to come on things and so many, I know that what are the places. From their messages also I can indicate, understand what are the things. So first you need to understand there is a criminal conspiracy going on to mutual agreement between BJP and Congress is going on and you are a dumb fool, that's only. And then I know that in Karnataka they have taken that made second they have taken forcefully taken to convince you for bribery. So the moment I am telling about this Narayana Das, immediately I know the matter. He is the devil happening. Other than this Malayali Dobi Sundar Federal, actually that is the reality. That bastard is like that. I understood from initially onwards. And this is all screwing up everything, everybody. Your staff's control also, everybody. Then they are telling protecting continuously protecting against KCB. Everything he is the one who is doing. It is a tremendous lobby. There is lobby is like. And then actually he is coming from a corning third class election. I know one person similar to him. Actually it might be the relationship of I don't know. In hometown only. I don't know. Whatever I think. I don't need to bother with then now what is the issue? Politically I am wondering here their these kind of street fellows, they don't have any to hide their crimes, they will spread stories and defame and block the police also to all the security even to tell that oh where are you not living and go so that they can make you play around and you are a dumb fool and again that's the reason I'm getting it even though knowing everything you do not actually that's the problem you do not have much common sense that's the reason these fellows are utilizing you and getting attracted and with connection actually these and lust that for the outside for actually when you were in so much of emotional weak you are you needed a support and they think these devils utilized and trap you to that. That's the only thing you are feeling the instant with. Actually, these all devils only created all the issues and then block you. And then now they have offers and everything, and so you got overwhelmed. You are thinking that peace and what are they? Actually, see, first you need to understand it. I am a girl. I don't want a peaceful life. I am praying that okay, let the challenges come. That only will make you more and more. And actually, see, I know my life purpose. And I only can do many things and that's the reason I am getting. And after analyzing, understanding all the situations and it is not because you fellas are not knowing about the system or anything. 5 years gap has happened. I cannot do any good. That is what this devil wanted. And then my publications, everything is blocked and so many things are there. And I knew I don't to live, not to live in between. I started this thing. I want to achieve thing and I know I am on the way. And what I am planning that is actually because of you I got distracted and no problem, everything has a way and I got more way to take it further and more way. Anyway, this is all the blocks happening also that is leading to something higher for the thing and that's the reason I realized many things what can be done in the active way. It will not only in the global level we can make a change. That's the reason I am trying to pull you back because now you don't get into this double star. I will not let because now it's not about that. Actually, I moved out of strike for you or anything and you are telling out a peaceful life you will be offering and actually I have some common sense. You are not doing any work or anything and then public's money only just have some little bit of shame and how much money your mother looted and you taken to Italy and that's the reason because of your mother and you only this Congress stage is like this and these all leaders are acting in front of you people and screwing up you on that. Realize the fact and understand and accept that and then again don't become so much thing and even though how many times repeating also feel some shame okay and understand that actually I am telling in the harsh way and these all fellows are talking with the sugar coated words and keeping you in price and cutting your neck on the back. I am not like that I want to see who are angry there. They have the real care to you. That's the reason. Otherwise, I can also act nicely. See, just imagine that from August onwards, how much emotionally vulnerable you weak and you wanted me to come. And I was like, just imagine if I was like this Matayana, then how many times I would have jumped and I would have come, right? And then Harid was telling me tonight that you will go for walk at the time also come like that. Also, Harid told me like that. So many things. I am not like that kind of people. I don't want to trap or attract you. It's not that. I have standing with a mission purpose and in the straight way, direct way, and to all remove all the obstacles only. I was telling that we will go in the divine pathway. So that is a natural connection. We are not blinded to what is. It's not like that. There is a energy force. We can follow that. So that will give the truth and power. And that's the reason you fellows are like a jokers doing these, saying things in the campaigns. And it's a way wasting money. And the way this big all this showing those emotional things, that is not the way to do the campaign center. And see, everybody is knowing that there you people have taken money and the agreements, right? So then why do you make it? I think it's a world mess, but no problem, don't worry. So they are also executing a well planned criminal conspiracy. Let them execute. And that is actually they are putting the trap in us, in our hand. That is the way right way it is leading, and that will be the really challenging. That's the reason. That's what. See, everything happens for a reason, and happened for a reason. It will be happening for a reason. So go in the flow, and that's what. So don't get distracted and see, if we are standing for something and there will be many obstacles. Actually, see, this is about the India's top political things. So there will be so many places, so many things, and so by getting distracted from that is the cowards will do it. And don't you feel shame that you for getting like this drama and this all actually the silly shows your TV is arranging to by putting what that that your chess game told that previously one day road you are coming and one person fell down or something like that. Actually, see, just think that it's another, everybody is knowing that people are doing the silly show off to do that. Actually, then really what you do. And so you August onwards, and so you were only keeping me in the trap and you only got that your life you got back, right? So that's what something Mubarak like that and everything. So then what you did, and so to me, and what you do, how many times chemicals which also spoiled you only this fellow's order. Did you care even at least once? Actually, a quality man, even you are protecting us, you are the top and you are not that top and you didn't do anything and you got inherited that thing and it keeping you and this all double protecting you, and because for marketing, because this none of the leaders have the credibility or potential to lead the nation like that. So that's the reason they are putting the family that with the still marketing and that's the only thing happening. Okay, so that is the thing. Reality, understand it. So as a man, even though how humble he is too, and consider the people, that is what makes a man's quality. And it is rather than keep on praising from others and these all things, that is not. Then you are telling that if somebody is telling harsh, you are very hard, and then you should know to learn to face the harsh realities also, to adjust to that and to come out that and understand the realities. Okay, rather than chucking into it. Actually, that girl is a crack fraud check. Whenever I am telling something, and immediately next to she is arranging some public under the deforestation or something in the police station, ICP also when public media some of the money which is not only you can show a catcher of product third class. Actually, if you are marrying, you are go to the no, not meaning that with that expectation you don't, because you kind of understand. See, I know that what piece she might have offered, convincing at all. You know what are the offers in UK also these fellows have arranged. And then the agreements, and then you can expect that your crime fraud place and all that and nothing. These fellows, this double prosecutor lead and all the agreements I look that actually this kind of culture of frauds. Okay, so don't regret, because even the opposition, because of you fellows only, you fellows are not me. You fellows will adjust each other and they grab your enjoyments, everything will go in. But the common citizens, the younger generation, youth and the students, researchers, we all are facing, and we are not even, see, anyway these fellows are blaming 70 years Congress rule, but never such a situation. I am a girl, I was only dedicated for my research and passionate to develop an intelligence system, and within joining it 2 years of IIT Bombay, I got the Digital Lock Award, everything I arranged, everything for parents, these all things. Still I was not able to work anywhere. These fellows are not allowing me to work here. I cannot even eat food confidently in my room or in my house or anywhere. And I cannot even live in my home. The home even demolished. Sister's home also. I cannot even trust my sister or my mother. Even these fellows who instruct us to put the chemicals to me. So this is the situation happening. And then wherever I am going, these all things. Okay. So this is not something normal. And yesterday also I know that these fellows are convinced, and yesterday also the Malayali people are asking this network and religion. Actually, these fellows, people are not having the much ability to understand and tell this. That's what your brain power is. These people need to understand. This is the place to put the top technical institute of India, and that and the world leaders in your place. Now, you people are city fellows in between came and not having common. Otherwise, at least should have a minimum decency. To understand talk and understand what is the problem actually. That is your ego, that you people are white cloth kind of what is that? And third also, that's the reason you fellows are going and BJP is ruling and you fellows are doing the fucking slab and jobs and just grabbing and nakabita okay, so that's the reality. First then there is a clear cut of play to finish you. That's what execute. And the second thing, I don't think that she is going to connect with people like you will never get in. That is another thing. But why I am doing this, I will not go and if you are actually this is my idea Shaba because how many people waited, like 8 boys waited in front of night from morning to night candle in front of me. How many times they have that, and I ignore everybody. So that is the reason that I ignore. Actually, everybody, it's a shame for me. Actually, everybody tells me that you will succeed any prostitution, anything, and you will go and check for you. That is the thing, and that is what your personality. Okay, so then I am telling you, my sister even scolding me. Actually, you need to understand that. So actually, then I am thinking that I know that you are state because of that it is happening and we are in these situations. I know. That's what I'm trying to understand, and I accept the natural connection. There is beyond that. Actually, see, I am a person. This ugly is going in. I won't even look at the voice like this kind of voice. I don't even like it. That way, you are fucking anybody, and I am like, this is the stab of powerful. That's okay. So then again you are going attracted to Madonna. Again, I have a plan to dispute the Ganga and I hit the Ganga, not Manasaro. To dispute the next to remove all this karma. Actually, they say that now in tribal also there is a clear cut way to take all the things. But that's what you have to learn to respect the people in the decade and learn manners, culture, quality. Then everything will come. That's the reason. Even though this many things people waited and every day insulting, right? Everybody suffers our ego. But let them suffer and learn from the life. That's not the thing. And then when you are telling about the for peaceful life too, actually see I don't want. I like challenges. But see why I started this mission, I want to. I told you, I am searching somebody who really needed support. That's the thing. Some blind or somebody also. That's the thing. I remember some that married that we have small kids or something like that. I am not for enjoying. My life is not for enjoying. Okay, so that's it. And for you, the enjoyment only. That's what you learn from home also. Utilizing everybody and enjoying. That's the thing happening. That's what your mother has done. Okay, I know. You need to understand that it's a harsh reality. And then I want to do something with my life. That's it. Okay. So you are what enjoyment will not make anything to me. That you said. That's what I understood. That Qatar Rashid also like that. Her family father also like fucking looting and everything. And that's what the ideal match instant connection is got. And so that you can utilize everybody, keep the popularity play and you can grab and enjoy. That is what you are planning. That is not going to work out. Both will tell you and do that. In India, that is you don't dream that again to utilize the people and the public money. That's it. Okay. So that will. So actually we told that that's the reason I sent that mail to the authorities, everybody that the youth actually see the people don't like to believe enough of the opportunity guys also because there is something has to be changed because all of you are frauds only. So everybody is knowing that and you are angry with that. So now we tolerate enough. We know one thing. Okay, we don't want anybody. Also that this Amit Shah is clear cut play. I know that here so much of big BJP lobby will be here because Amit Shah knows India nobody have the courage or guts to question them. The way I was questioning, challenging them, so that Amit Shah will not. He is the Chanakya. I know he will activate you and want the back if he have that. Actually, he understood that I will be a threat. If it is there, that's the reason they are desperately trying to block this much drama and everything. Here also, see, for killing also 10-15 BJP people only came. So look at still that window didn't. And here everywhere the network, my mobile, laptops, everything is spoiling. Also that Munirka, that RSS agents, that shop only. Munirka in Arkaibram Sector 7, that Kamal Rohilla bastard, and then. The police everywhere, police station, when I complained also, they are making fun of me at what are the level. You do not know in what are the things happening in this lobby. And then everywhere, the entire police, everybody know instant network and they are insulting me. And so when I went to the last week, I went there to get the compensation and to make them they were like, oh, you are not able to sleep, and because now they have trapped you, that's the reason. What are the level, you are a fool, them. Again I am scolding, see that you need to understand what are the chemicals this have injected. That is so purposefully they want to picturize me as bad. So that's the reason the chemicals to spoil, freeze my brain and to create mental changes, and the nerves to create, nerves will awaken that excites the will create anger. See, previously also how many situations were there I was, how nicely I am handling, and now this instant within a fraction of a second I am getting angry and I am rising. That's the reason. These are, you are not knowing. That's what I am still like have the pain, and that is not. That's all the reason they were blocking all the hospitals also, and you do not know this private idea of government told that it's not even since it is wife or mother, and that kind of already new offer to very fraud case. Actually, such a man, you feel some minimum. Actually, you do not know what are the comments these leaders also telling about you and insulting you, and you are like, actually I know that I feel bad when I am scolded, because the way you are, see, there are way, don't you know my number, and see there is a way you are getting, oh, so you, this is your talent and capability that you are getting offers and you are enjoying that, and that is the way, that attitude change. And this Varidadal is a cultural double. Don't ever believe that bastard adult. Their network, they only trap you with, see, you just think that how peaceful you are in the, when we started the social and everything, and how they systematically trapped you, and then they only forced you to take that Afghan with the very came on this that Farira Baki bastard, and that their network staff network funds network, and they are very good. What is the use? Nothing is working, right? That's the right. And then these fellows will project that I am scolding you, and that you are shining, and fellow, these are the shows, and you do not know what these fellows are doing on the back. And also, and this thing, they are making comments, but did you see anything? So you are some super great hero that I am desperately waiting. You are nothing yet. And if I have understand, actually I am losing my all personality. It's not for you I am doing. One thing is, I have a consideration what will be your stage under my father's things, and I know that what are your motions, pushes, everything, and I want to fulfill all the things, and I was getting that is a purity part. I want to, there is a nice way you can do everything. See, one more thing you need to understand it, the dangerous thing. This Amit Shah have cleared one. That's the reason he is pulling away Rajnath Singh. Everybody is suppressing, and he knows that he cannot become as a PM through the election. That's the reason he is playing with by keeping Modi. Actually, Modi is not that much dangerous. Actually, Modi is under the group. That I previously also understood that. See, Modi only accepted our Shiva Shakti relation and named Chandrayaan 3 landing space as Shiva Shakti. And then I know that, but Modi is under the trap of the control of the this Amit Shah, and so that's what many places I understood that. Also, see the network here. I know that the force that is beyond Pushpa. Also there is something. The BJP lobby and Pushpa, it's not like that, and I could understand that. So here are the temples everywhere, and then this. Even in the Gurudwaras, how systematically you do not know what are the plans I was selling, and then so you Modi went and arranged super rallies, everything, and this is what the karma. See, what are the things I told that we should do in the right way, and what the Duras Ahankara, ego, and even KCV also there. These are the beautiful things beyond above politicians and above police officers. These are the silly egos, jealous attitudes and all. Because how even this KCV only told them about meeting you, and till now we never spoke also. How many times I went to his house, he was saying that these are people's attitude, silly-minded fellows. And this is not only with him, there are Ramesh, and he is not even a technical person. He is an economist. He wants to survive, that's the reason. That's same with all the leaders, these fellows. He go with see, on the other hand, in IITs, I told them this, it is all professor like that. Even professors like that. So they are simple, and they will be ready to talk to anybody and everything, and so if they are going and they will consider these all things are there. These fellows, these are the value of education and different, and that you have that attitude, and that is first understand. That's the same reason that kind of modern kind of beautiful. Let alone I will know that how the Indian all sectors will affect it. And your grievance to execute the flight schedule, go and do make it. So here it will not work out. Okay. So, and I know that all the sucking mirrors also, like their abilities masters. 5 years proud and if you want to survive in the soul in the kingdom, let's say truthful and you will be treated like the real humanity, you will be acting like that. Real drama you will do. Okay? Not like that. So that is that's a directive way. And see, you, even if I am shouting, and that is now because of the situation you are going that frustration. Also see that message also, that's the thing. See, you are feeling you yourself, you are doing that, all your emotions, your wishes, your fears, everything you message it. See, I know that you are not able to sleep till night 2, 3 until you are messaging. That I used to feel very much bad that I can understand your stages and everything you are doing from August onwards you are doing, right? So that is what the natural connection. Why did you feel to do that? To your mother or even to your other sister, nobody you are able to feel do like that, right? So till now in your life. So that is what the natural connection between us. And so that's the thing. Also see, I told I was not minding anybody and I am doing these all things for you. That is another thing. That there is a thing. And I was also not able to sleep and so many things. So there is something that's the lust, this understand attraction, and see, just understand that how many ladies you have. What I think that everybody says I did not trust these all things and because of these all things, everybody says there is nothing special in that. Okay, so then how smart they are, how greedy they are, cunning they are to trap. That is the thing. And I know that this positive is reading all of our message, and the people who wanted to screw up, they were giving this message to ask of the message, and she learned everything, and she understood your situation, how the a quality girl, and in this kind of a situation, that is the minimum thing. So they, even though you fellas got agreement and the comment is marked you also after coming from UK, you people waited on it. But I didn't come by running, and I wanted to talk to you first because I am following my principles, rules, quality, standards. So that's the reason I am not greedy. If I want to trap you on that much greedy, you yourself will this much vulnerable to me, right? I can do anything, and I modern got this much of chances that somehow like catch a party project. Even though how much is there looting, jamming into this kind of, and I feel ashamed with you. I feel pity, sympathy to you that you are attracted to this kind of. That is what your standard culture. Your level. But you have that quality standard, you have that quality. But the thing is, you are got habituated to the environment and you are that's flexible. And then another thing, this what? Yeah. So then when I am calling you are not coming, I how many comments there are nothing. See, these fellows are putting the situation. You never called me in the right way. That's the thing. A man should know how to treat a girl, respect a girl, and that's the way. Also see, so we will arrange some emotional massages and so like that way only that process. So these all neurons, everybody arranging and everything and that's the way. Actually, I don't want to compare myself with that. I have so many other things to do. So during the last 2 weeks also I have done many things. I know the level of blocking these fellows are doing. As soon as I am sending these fellows are 24. See, these fellows are not believing. Come and talk to the Kodori people. Entire shops. The 2 Malayali shops are there. These fellows have evacuated them. Ask them to leave from Kadwari Sara. Return to them. And then all the shops, the mobiles will not be serviced, laptops they will not let me use any system also. The systems wherever the shops I have used to, these fellows have tracked down their systems and they are shouting at me that they have to call the service people and they have their all data even damaged and what are the things these fellows are doing. You people are not knowing the level of network they are correcting the OS and all everything. Wherever my accounts are learning, these fellows suddenly put extensions and will correct the that's the thing. So everywhere this is what these fellows are doing, and you fellows are not having any common sense and still taking campaign. See, another thing. See, this is what way these fellows wanted to block me only. That's what these fellows are putting this much. Because after I came only, you fellows came to know these all details, and otherwise you fellows are just dumb puppets. That's the thing. So that's what they want to block with Amisha and see, the next thing and what this propaganda Amisha, this lobby, what they will do, they are planning, you fellows are not knowing. And after that, you fellows will deep on their network and will get devastated. Their aim is to devastate Congress. That's the only thing will happen. Okay, so that's the thing. So the next time the election will be much more tougher than you will not be, never you will be able to come. That's the reality. That's what a systematic way, and I know very well to take this thing, and I'm not blabbering. And you philosopher not deserving the that's a, because of your activities and these all things. That's the reason. Okay, and frauds. There's a clear cut. Actually, it's not. I'm not doing for you or anybody. This is for the nation. That's the way it has to handle, and for the world safety. I started the mission, and irrespective of whatever the way. If you fellas are not there, I will join. I will create a new party. That's the thing. I even started discussions for that, and you are nothing. That you will first you will be in jail, and first what I will make sure that you three of your surplus category I will remove it and live like a normal person. Okay, don't enjoy and you're going to score on this thing and you are sure and you'll never stay. Have to has some minimum decency and 50 lakh rupees only spending for you fellow center. What you people are contributing to the nation, that you need to understand that. Okay, and I will take you in the right path and institution. That's a really you are ideal couple, and this is the real Ram Sita. That Shivshakti, not like this kind of Prachi Matana, and for shakti business, shovel, silent go. That's so. Okay, man. And then and it is not another so many places, and he only asked that to that Mohan and Kajara. He's a Kajara fraud. I was really ashamed because of the situation. This is what I'm getting frustrated because I get to talk to these kind of Kajara fellows, and you're thinking it here the all are like that Madhav Raj is a crack fellow. Like all him yesterday, so the way he is, I look at Kajara frauds. This is the Malayali fellows are getting wrongly that I'm telling you because their activities are like that. This 5 minutes matter a person can start talking, and that's the only thing. And you're again waiting with the slave and the pet of this better not in the locked up stage, and you are with more fear. You are thinking that you will not be able. Actually, you are not believing me. You are not trusting my potential, and what I'm telling that you will not do. That's the reason. But anyway, there is something. Everywhere I am missing with 5 minutes like that from the year. That day you went for sucking that mutton, and that day also I was there at the airport at the other side, and you were there. So actually, that's what I see. Everything leading to the learn from experiences. Because now, without getting you that her outburst, you will not get over. So now her outburst you got better. So that's what let it happen. So many things are there, and then so. This is the trial and error. No, there is a method. And then, see, there are so many things I want to do. Actually, then they will put, I'm not doing work on the going back. Actually, I know what are the situation. I'm not doing it. Out of my excitement, I didn't start with this. Okay, after understanding, analyzing all the situations early, because there is nobody even eligible to advise me in India. Okay, so you want to try this. When I said to talk to that, yes, because of you, your way of dealing with the people, and this is the thing. See, if you want to aspire to become a prime minister, but your activities also justifying to that, you know how to handle the things and all very well. Okay, that and all it's lacking because of the thing. Many things matters, and where will get an offer and who's the winning running married. Who are you? And you first yourself make win, and after that you make it. Actually, a man should not should tempt a girl through his courageous activities. Okay, that's the thing. That is called a man. And actually now when I was seeing these fellows, I do not know how many what are the comments these fellows are telling about you and that. So I feel bad that that's the situations are like that. Then you are getting into another thing, you will obey what they will tell you, whatever you play. That's right. And so try to understand it. Thereafter, and this what the chance you will get. These fellows will trap you, and once you are in the life, never you will be able to come out. That you are all the powers. These fellows will come you, and these all will. To give you in the trap, everyone will suckle it, push out and do the peaceful thing, everything will do, and okay. So, and then, actually, don't think that I understood that what way these things happened, this blocking everything has happened, and what is the intention, reason behind it. That I got the clarity. That's the reason I am this much I am trying to convince. And these fellows are projecting, okay, again these fellows, they will project. And whenever I am sending the mail, next day these fellows, first they will get shattered, and the next day they will propagate new lies and convince everybody, and then we will give offers to the leaders of everybody, and they will again trap you. This is convincing. This is what happening. Actually, it's a business with playing with my life and my energy. These all things happening. Okay. So don't think that you're too much over smart or anything, and you are these fellows are putting you in the trap. Anyway, that's the way to come out of it. This is the way. So So don't get into that trap and then don't get into the peaceful. It's not like that. It's our life. What you want to do. You are making you will do this all things and you are in the camels you are shouting, right? So try to implement it in the right way. Okay? And not way to something Madonna that for something Madonna only started these all things. I mean, where was she? And she was behind you from years, and the way she didn't offer this much of thing, she didn't try to support you. Just understand people's intention. Okay? I was actually I feel ashamed that I had to convince actually. See, there is a actually it's not our duty to correct a man. So if you are not brought up in the correct way, that is the mistake of your family, your mother or father. Actually, okay, we made actually I am unnecessarily wasting my time. A person should decide in the process, but until people will be having the rhythm of understanding. Once we are telling that we know that, but we will listen now without limited understanding. People are dragging us into your levels and all. But anyway, I am forgetting these all things. Why I am trying that? Because this is not the major aim is our mission that the India and the world that for that we have to adjust these and all silly things we should neglect. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, so. Shivshakti, that is the elephant. No Madonna, okay? Get it?